Breaking news tops this hour of News at Noon. A construction collapse killed at least one person in Bonney Lake. Wood and metal from a project fell on Highway 410 onto Angeline Road East. This is Chopper 7 live over the scene. That red tarp is over the truck that was crushed. The driver was inside. We still don't know if anyone else is in that vehicle. Crews haven't been able to remove the debris yet. Now here's where this is as you look at the map. Highway 410 over Angeline Road East. This is just northwest of a Target and Walmart there in Bonney Lake. KIRO-7's Kevin McCarty is in that area and joins us now live on the phone. Kevin.
And we just got information from Bonney Lake Police Public Information Officer, Officer Todd Free. He tells us what landed on that truck was a concrete jersey barrier. He said it was approximately 20 feet long. We're talking about the kind of jersey barriers you see when there's trucks going on the roadway or the freeway, those concrete barriers that are movable, that are placed up to kind of direct traffic. There was a barrier there while the city was extending the sidewalk on the north side of State Route 410 so that the sidewalk would be safer for pedestrians. Somehow, one of those concrete jersey barriers fell on Angeline Road and landed directly on top of the passenger compartment of a truck that was passing underneath the overpass. It was the only vehicle on the road at the time. Nobody below the bridge saw anything because there was nobody else on the road. The Bonney Lake Police tell us they are looking for anybody who may have been on State Route 410 and saw that jersey barrier fall. They're trying to figure out exactly what was going on at the time and exactly why that barrier fell. And there are crews working in that area on the sidewalk, extending that sidewalk, City of Bonney Lake project, but they're not certain what work was going on at the time when the barrier fell down on top of that truck. They don't know who the driver is at this point, whether or not it's a man or a woman, and they don't know whether or not there's anybody else in the truck. You can imagine there's a very, very heavy concrete barrier that is just destroying that entire passenger compartment. So it's difficult right now to even tell how many people were inside that truck. Bonney Lake Police continue to investigate. We're going to remain here at the scene. But the latest information as soon as we get it. Live from Bonney Lake, Kevin McCarty, KIRO-7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Kevin, just an awful accident there. And as Kevin mentioned, this was a sidewalk project going on. The KIRO-7 newsroom has been looking into this project, and we've talked with the city of Bonney Lake, and they tell us that this project was contracted out to the WHH Nisqually business. It's a tribally owned small business doing the contracting work there to install that sidewalk. So certainly we'll be asking more questions today about that company and their history of safety. Again, just a freak accident that has claimed at least one life, and really just a terrible scene remains there in Bonney Lake. Crews have to remove all of that debris and just mess on that truck to find out even if there's another person inside. We want